Hagani, and today we have released it before this my breaking news. He begins before this USA company, and before the Las Vegas, Nevada, it looks like a supercar on the Porsche H60. And before watching this supercars and everything game to first, many yours I taken this racing cars and in performance and this cars with fastest on the Grand Prix racing car new name Carla Veloso. And before the USA company, before the new racing cars, the new sports on the supercar was $2,000. How many like before? This car is real fast, this championship. It's everything going to first. Many yours we just never seen before the cars we just very fast this championship. And because then it never going to do this and this new thousand people on the racing cars new championship. And good night and see you tomorrow.
Seven hours later.
But that's really close. Because attacked me while the wolves. And then we just getting to versus my car getting to attack me. But it's a wasted night you found in my Las Vegas. Okay? Alright, good night. And hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching from Pajabo Jenga Hagani. Good night.